A lot of people come to me and they're like, why should I even bother when there's people like Tony Robbins if they want to get into self-development, right? Or why should I bother trying to teach people how to grow on YouTube when there's people like Sean Cannell or, these really established people in the industry? And I have some really special sauce for you today regarding this comment and why you should most definitely get on YouTube and you should most definitely speak your passion or your purpose, and you can most definitely make a profit doing so. So I'm going to share that today in this video, but let's get outside and go for a walk. So we're going back old school to when Alexa first started YouTube and was sharing content by walking and talking. And so we are going to do that today. Let's get outside in the sunshine of Finland. So come on, let's go. Okay, so I remember this like it was yesterday. I was in the kitchen of my childhood home and I had the Betty Crocker cookbook out. I don't know if any of you guys remember Betty Crocker, but I had the cookbook out and I had flour and milk and everything on the counter, right? And I was getting ready to make a cake. And my older brother walks into the kitchen. He's 4 years older than me. And he says to me, "What are you trying to be, the next Betty Crocker?" And before I had a chance to answer, like, no, I just want to learn how to make a cake, he was like, "You'll never be as good as Betty Crocker, so don't even try." And, it struck me how different mindsets can get different results in life. And the mindset of, I see someone doing something, and I'm like, I want to do that too. I'm going to try to do that, versus the mindset of seeing someone do something and think, wow, they're really great. I could never be like them. And I want to say, because I know a lot of people, like I see it with my clients and people that come in on my comments on YouTube are like, should I even bother? There's, like maybe they want to do self-development. Should I even bother? There's people like Tony Robbins out there. Like I could never compete with Tony Robbins. Or in my field where I'm trying to help new YouTubers to grow on YouTube, there's the Sean Cannells out there, right? And the Sonny Leonarduzzi's and the people that are well established in the field. And so you fill in the blank with whatever, profession you're in and the person that's like killing it in that profession, right? And I want to share this with you. I get on sales calls, probably 10 sales calls a week to get into my mentorship program, right? And I don't take everyone into my mentorship program. I have a process of qualifying people to make sure we're the right fit and that we're going to work together well and all of those things. But in that process, people have said to me many times, I'm trying to decide between taking your course and Sean Cannell's, or your course, your program, and Sonny Leonarduzzi's. Or I took Sonny Leonarduzzi's course and now I want to take your course. Or whatever the fill in the blank person is. There's this one YouTuber who works with Mr. Beast. I can't remember his name at the moment. He's written a book and everything. But people are trying to decide between taking his program and mine. And I want you to hear this because I've been only doing YouTube for a year and people are considering my program or Ed Lawrence's, my program or Sean Cannell's. So you, yes, most definitely can compete with these bigger people or these, more established influencers, whatever you want to call them. So don't let that stop you, because here's why people consider me over them. When you get on a call with me, or when you sign up for a call with me to learn about my program, you talk to me. You don't talk to my sales consultant. You don't talk to my seller or closer or whatever they're called, right? You talk directly to me. When you go with the bigger people, you have to get funneled through before you ever get to talk to the person that you're inspired by, right? And so that's why people will want to work with you, because you can give them more personalized attention than these bigger people can. They can't even get, like Tony Robbins, you can't even get close to Tony Robbins anymore, right? You can learn from him, you can go to his big events, but he's on the stage. He's at a distance from you, and, or you can talk to him in a group setting, or same thing with Sean Cannell or any of these other people. You might have group calls with them, but one-on-one is super expensive. So my point is this. I don't have to be Betty Crocker. I have no desire to be Betty Crocker if I was wanting to be a chef. I want to learn from the greats. I don't need to be that particular great person. I get to be me and you get to be you. And people want that. And people want the attention that you can give them because you're at a different size, a different scale. You're also at a point that is closer to where they are. And so it motivates them. It makes them feel like the potential, they could actually have what you have, right? And so I think I just wanted to make this quick video about, you can have everything you want, and you can be successful, and you don't need to compare yourself to the greats in your field. Learn from them, be motivated by them, follow how they do things, and learn their systems, but make everything your own. And people will come to you because it is you, and because you're still tactile. You're there. You're close to them. And so, let me switch hands. It's been a long time since I did a walking video. And so I just want to inspire you to say, don't let that stop you. Don't let the people come in that say, who are you trying to be, Betty Crocker? Say, no, I'm trying to be Alexa Saarenoja. Thank you very much. And I'm going to be. So fill in the blank with your name. Go after your goals. Go after your dreams. And seriously, you guys, people are trying to join my program and considering my program in the same bucket as people like Sean Cannell and Ed Lawrence and all these other people that have been doing YouTube so much longer than me. So it's incredible. And so please hear me when I say you can do this, and you don't have to worry about other people taking up space, because there's room for all of us. And where I am right now, I'm able to give that personalized approach. I'm able to give to the people I work with, the handful of people that I work with, right? Maybe in 5 years, I won't be doing this anymore. I'll be at the other level. And then it'll make room for people that are at my level who can be that touch point, who can work very closely with people, right? So it's this beautiful ecosystem that exists. And you are part of that ecosystem, and people need you and want to learn from you because they can actually talk to you directly. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in Finland today. That's why I'm out for a walk and had to get out of the office and just give this message to you because it just struck me today and I wanted to share it with you all. So have a wonderful day and a great weekend. Bye for now.